I'm going to be showing you 3 platforms where you can generate images and videos for free. The last one is 100% free. They will not charge you for it or anything. And 2 of these platforms, you can generate videos and images. 1, you can only generate images. So the first one we're going to be talking about, the first one is Ideogram.ai. Ideogram.ai. So if you come on this platform, once you register, they will give you 12 credits immediately you register. 12 credits, and every 2 days they will give you 12 credits. You can see previous images, you can see other images people are generating on the platform. So for me, I've reached my limit already. So I cannot generate again until tomorrow. I reached my limit on this platform yesterday. I cannot generate any images again until tomorrow. So on this platform they will give you 12 credits you can use to generate images. I think one image is about, to generate an image is about 2 credits. I think it's about 2 credits. So the next one is Pixelverse.ai. Put on your browser Pixelverse.ai or search for app.pixelverse.ai. On this platform you can generate both videos and images. You can generate both video and images. Now let me use this prompt that is on this platform. I just have to click on image. If I need any reference image, I just need to upload any reference image here. Then put in my prompt. Select the aspect ratio. Put in if it's 1080p or whatever. Put in how many count, if it's 2, 3 to 4. Yes. So on this platform you can only use one. Because from 2 to 4 you have to subscribe to their plan. On this platform they will give you 90 credits for your first registration and 30 credits every day. They'll give you 30 credits every day, whether you log in or not. So give you 30 credits every day. So the credit they have been giving me, that's what I've been using to generate both videos and images. This is the kind of videos. Their videos are very good. This is the kind of video I generate from this platform. Like this one I'm drinking tea. These are the videos I've generated so far, and I use them for my content. So for the image generation, let's put in this. Let me add brush. Let me add some brush here in sky. So click on create, put in your prompt. You can select any reference images, but for me I don't know how to use any reference image. So put in your prompt, then click on create. It is generating. Look at the image it generated. This is the image it generated. So I gave you this prompt before. I want to use it for one of my faceless videos. So this is the image it generated for me. This is it. So let's go over to the last one. You can customize it and you can download it without watermark and do whatever you want with it. Or you can easily right click and then copy the image or save the image without watermark. You get same thing for the video. Then for the last one, quick one, if you haven't subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Please kindly click on the subscribe button and on the like button. Also put on the notification bell so that when I drop another video you get it. It is free to subscribe and you will never be charged for it. Thank you. Go over to bing.com. Bing.com. Most people don't know what is Bing.com is. Bing.com. Bing is another browser just like Chrome. Bing is a browser just like Chrome. So on this Bing.com, you can generate image or video from it daily. Free. The videos can generate only 10 videos. Only 10 videos per day. But for the images, they are unlimited and you can choose different models. So this is it. You can see other videos people are generating from it. You just have to, for you to generate image, you put in your prompt. Put in your prompt. Let me say a man. Man running water while a horse with wings chasing him. You can select on any different model you want. You can select different models. For this one, I'm going to use ChatGPT 4.0. Then on ChatGPT 4.0, you can only click on, you can only generate one quantity at a time. You can select on different aspect ratio. For me, I'm going to use vertical. Then I'll click on create. I guess you can see it is generating, it is loading. So on this Bing, you can also generate videos. You can save it, edit. You can also edit the prompt if you want. Let me say, or let me just leave it. You can edit the prompt if you want. For the ChatGPT model, you can change the model. Let me use this model. You can change the aspect ratio. Let me use vertical, or let me use horizontal. Let me click on recreate and you see how it works. You can see it. So you can generate any image you want, use any style as long as it's in your prompt. So that is how it works. You can edit image or edit prompts. You get. So let's go back to the video generator. Go on create. Put in any prompt. Let me say man running on water. Click on. Go on. Man running on water. Click on any aspect ratio. Click on fast, then click on create. I guess you can see how it works. I guess you can see the image. So you can download or you can either edit the prompts. You get. So that is how it works. For you to see any thing you have created before, kindly click on this, then click on collections. On collections, you see both images and videos you have generated before. So that is it. On this Bing.com, they will even give you free credit for using any of their feature on this browser. They'll give you free credit. They'll give you free credit for using their feature on this browser. So go back to images, go back to create, put in your prompts. Man running on water with his flying horse. You can select any model you want, but for me I'll be using, you can select any model, but for me I'll be using ChatGPT 4o. You can select any aspect ratio. I will be using vertical. For ChatGPT 4o, you can only create one quantity at a time for the image. Click on create. So this is it. You can save the image to your collections. Then if you want to see anything you have created before, click on this place, then you click on collections. You'll see whatever you have saved to your collections before. So you can also edit the prompts. You can also edit the prompt or edit the image to whatever model or ratio you want. So let's go over to video generation. Click on create. You click on video, then click on put in your prompt. Then click on aspect ratio. Let me use this, or let me just use vertical. Click on fast or standard, whatever you want. For me, I'll be using fast. The reason it's showing 6 free questions because I've been generating with this tool for today. Every day you get 10 free generation on this video creation, on this video generator on Bing here. So this is what it generated for me. The more detailed prompt you give it, the more detailed stuff it will generate for you. So let's generate this again to see what it will give us. I guess you can see what it's generated. So this is how it works. That is it. So if you like this video, please kindly, if this was useful for you, please kindly click on the like button and on the subscribe button. Thank you.